How's gonna going, guys? Maybe everybody is going, they spend their days so wisely. So, happily, I'm hoping it's so me included is so much happy nowadays because of I got you. Okay, so I'm helping you through making money. So here is another airdrop that I'm gonna showing you after a while. So this airdrop is this on Plaza Finance early access. Okay, early access means you are early bird and you don't miss anything. Their testnet or airdrop they don't yet provided, but early access is the main thing that makes you most amount of money from this one platform because of you early and you stay with them their tough time, because every company where they come in at that time, they at that time what they feel at that time nobody with them, so you and me included with them. So therefore every company like Airdrop Testnet, because through giving some little bit money and they get a huge amount of community. So therefore Testnet and Airdrop is existent. So here is I don't know, like I will not lost your time, so I'm going to show you very efficient way how you can join in this airdrop. So it is early access still, and their testnet would be coming soon, very soon. So click copy this link and paste onto your browser. So whatever browser you have, especially use those browser used to doing airdrop and testnet. So here is I'm pasting on my browser, kiwi browser that I'm using. Whatever browser you have that used by doing airdrop. Okay, so it is being opening. So wait and being patient while it is opening, because you know is bug fixing while they early. Okay, so here is little bit unlock early access. Click on there, and here is you know this board is your workspace inside of this section. So you start earning place points today, get exclusive early access. So now they're saying that what's your name, they're asking you. Let's say, so my name is, let's say, yeah, Ranga Finance. Okay, and click this next button, put your Ethereum. Where you will get your Ethereum address, just to go to your MetaMask. Okay, I'm going to my MetaMask, and here is just my intention is taking the address and paste on there. So it is as simple as that. So never take anything packaged way, because if you do complex anything, that will be complex. If you think anything is hard, complex, that is hard, that would be hard. So never feel like that, nothing complicated, just you know uh, be flexible and do that way. Okay, never be pack up. Okay, so I'm going to take my address. It is taking a little bit time, so I'm so see my time inside of here, how much time it takes to take my address. So why it is happened, because of my fastest website, my fastest browser is doing problem. Okay, so anyway, do collect your address from your MetaMask and click this next button, and here is provide your email in order to execute this task. So here is putting my email. My email is this on. So put in your way your email. Okay, and that's it. Click this submit button. Okay, so while you will do click on this submit button, they will lets you know congratulations. Okay, so here is, yeah, so everything is done. So if I show you again, Ranga Finance, Ethereum address here, next your email here, and click the submit, and please wait. Okay, they will know you congratulations, they will celebrate you here, if you noticed. And that's it. So here is, if you noticed, so start earning Plaza points today, get exclusive early access, success, all steps are completed. So here is written by, so if you noticed. And that's it. See you later the next time, and getting update about those we done on airdrop, coming to this channel. This channel is dedicated by Airdrop money making. Okay, so every airdrop that I showed you, that will be updated, because Airdrop is not one time offer, it is a 1 year 2 year tax for make money, and therefore you need to be updated about all airdrop that you joined inside of my airdrop. So if you join one airdrop, so you need to get updated every day. So, and that's it. So see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting.